Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Google Chrome QUIC protocol error. And there are a few ways you can go about trying to attempt to fix this. So you want to stick around and watch the entire video and so that you can learn how to fix this. So open up Google Chrome guys and you simply want to type in Chrome :// flags, right? Now, all you have to do is use a search right here and type in QUIC and you will find the experimental QUIC protocol error. If yours is currently showing default or enable, just go ahead and set this to disable. And for these extended features within Google Chrome, whenever you make any changes, it's going to ask you on the lower right hand side to relaunch. So let me show you. So if I click disable, you can see relaunch right here. And so you will need to do that to be able to relaunch Google Chrome. And once it relaunches, try again to see if that fixes the error. And if after your Chrome opens up, if the issue still persists, one of the most basic things that you have to do in Google Chrome is to click the three that's on the upper right hand side and go to your extensions, click on manage extensions, disable all your extensions and try to enable them one by one to see if you find which extension could cause that problem. And finally, the last thing you want to do is ensure that you're using the latest version of Chrome. Different updates fix different bugs, different issues. So you want to ensure that you go to the help on the lower part from those options here and click on about Google Chrome. And here it's going to do a quick check for updates. And if there's any new updates for Google Chrome, it will go ahead and start updating for you. As you can see for myself, it's currently updating. And so that should fix the issue for you. And as a last resort, if the updates doesn't work, nothing works, I recommend just uninstall Google Chrome from your PC entirely and download it fresh from the official website of Google. And that's it guys. These are the different ways that you can attempt to fix the QIC protocol error in Google Chrome. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.